Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 16th day of September 2025. And the market was a bit slow today, pre FOMC, but we did get some pretty amazing trades, and this is one. The setup is this: the market we're trading NQ at $5 a tick. That's the NASDAQ, and the market has gone up, and like a rocket, it's reached its apex and now it's starting its descent back down. And we get these two marvelous strong candle indicators. We did take both of these, but the first one was a break even. So we're going to show you the second one instead because this next candle retraces back up, takes the first trade out at break even, and then we enter the second trade on the way down. So we look over at PVI, man, it is low, low, low. It was 23 at this point. So I don't expect the next candle, you know, I do expect it to go between 20 and say 40 ticks. So we're going to pair our ATM to that, and we're going to go for 11 tick first targets, 21 tick second targets, and a 40 tick runner. And we'll de-risk the trade completely at the end of our first target. So here we go. I'm going to show you how we do it. We're ready to go. I'm going to put a sell order on, put it into place, and we're just going to show you how it worked out in the room. All trades like they are in on trades of the day are all trades taken in the room, either by myself or other traders. So we're just looking for a retrace on this bad boy. And then we'll go. You can see the market is so slow. I mean, we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. There we go. There's the retrace we're looking for. I think it retraces more than that, but we'll go ahead and put our order on, put our stop where it belongs once we get picked up, and then we'll go from there. Beautiful retrace. Lovely. Love waiting for retraces. If the market wants to run long now and just run all day, we're not even involved. That's why we wait for the retrace. It's giving us a higher high and a stair step short. It's setting up beautifully for us. The stop happens to be exactly where it needs to be. And now we just sit and wait for our first target to get hit. Once it does, you'll see our stop comes from way up here all the way down to a break-even position. So all we need is our first target out, and then we sit up with our feet propped up and wait to see if our runners can get hit. We'll go ahead and well, here it goes. Looks like it's getting ready to start now. Once it gets rolling, it rolls fairly well. Boom! It ran through the first two targets, the last minute of the candle. But notice our stop went from way up here down to now it's not even a break even. We can't lose money on this trade. We can only make money. If the market comes back and takes this out, I've only got one target. So right now we're 40 ticks in profit. We're sitting at -9. But now I got another strong candle. I could actually enter the trade again, but I don't believe we did that today. Don't remember exactly why, but this is getting ready to drop. And we're into our second candle so far in the trade. Again, that's how slow the market it really has been. So it takes a longer. There we go. Boom. That trade took uh, about 7 minutes to complete and was worth 410 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 410 US dollars in 7 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. At samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you then. And we'll see you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.